Good morning, Anushri. As you have recently faced the Excel Dynamics interview for the position of financial analyst, would you like to share with our viewers how was your overall experience?
Yes, sure, ma'am. Overall, my interview went so well. The starting was done by sir that tell me something about yourself. So I told them everything, and after that he asked me, ki, okay, so you are a finance student. So I said no, sir, finance as well as marketing. I have dual specialization. So then he asked me, ki, you are comfortable in which subject? In which subject you will answer the question? So I said,
Mhm.
sir, I'm comfortable with both the subjects. So the first question he asked me was, what is budgeting? And I answered that. And what is the difference between budgeting and forecasting? After
Mhm.
that, he asked me a marketing question that what do you understand by marketing segmentation? So overall, these three questions were asked from me. And apart from that, I was asked very general questions that tell me about your family background and are you comfortable with the night shift? Will you
Mhm.
require any leaves in next 6 months? So I answered that, okay, I'm comfortable with night shifts, and I told my leave requirements to them. And in the last, he only asked me, okay, so from when you can join our company? So I said, sir, as per it is convenient to you, I can join. So
Mhm.
my interview ended in 5 minutes only.
Because maybe they found you as a confident candidate. Anushri, if you can tell or share something about the kind of answers you gave to them on of the questions which were asked to you, can you share those?
Sure, ma'am. So the first question they asked me was budgeting. So I told them, ki, okay, budgeting is related to the our monetary expenses. We plan in present that how we have to spend for our future. So we make a budget in present so that we don't face any problem in future and how we manage the things. So in between only he asked me, ki, okay, so what is the difference between budgeting and forecasting? So I told him that forecasting is we plan for the future, that what are the requirements in the future based on our past experiences and our present assets. We forecast the future, and according to that, we prepare budget in present. So after that, he asked me what is marketing segmentation. So I was on the way to give the answer. I said, "Ki sir, we just segment the audience which we have to target to deliver our product or to provide our services." And in between, only he asked me, "Ki, okay, so are you comfortable with night shift?" So I said, yes, sir, I'm fine with it. So only that was. Then he asked me about my mother, father, and my brother. And after the leave requirements, I told him that my sister's marriage is there in May. So he said, okay, so what does your sister do? So I told him she's in ICICI Bank, and that's all.
Okay, so overall, if I ask you to rate your interview experience and the kind of interviewer was, how much would you rate him?
Ma'am, I would rate him 8 out of 10. Like he asked me pretty nice questions related to the finance and marketing, and yeah, even in between, it happened that I was left out of the meeting in
Mhm.
between my interview. So I joined it again, and I said, "I'm sorry, sir, I was let out in the meeting." So he was like, "Okay, fine, dear, no issues." So it was kind of very normal and great, like conversation. It was like a conversation.
Great, great to know that, Anushri, and thank you so much for sharing your experience with us. Thank you.